Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Hollandaise sauce Jamie Oliver easy method. Separate 3 large egg yolks into a clean bowl and have 200 g butter cut into cubes ready. Place the bowl over a gentle simmer and whisk constantly while adding butter slowly to form a thick, glossy emulsion. Keep the heat low to avoid scrambling and finish with lemon juice and salt to taste before serving. In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce Jamie Oliver easy method. Gather 3 egg yolks, 200 g unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon white wine vinegar, and 1 lemon for juice. Set up a bain-marie so the bowl sits over gently simmering water without touching it. Whisk the yolks until slightly thickened, then add butter in a steady stream while whisking to create a silky emulsion. Finish with seasoning and lemon to taste. In this video, I will review how to make Hollandaise sauce Jamie Oliver easy method. Quick recommendation: grab a Kindle Paperwhite to read recipes comfortably in any kitchen light and never miss a page while you cook. It feels light, has great contrast, and stores dozens of cookbooks so your hands stay free for whisking. If you like this pointer, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make Hollandaise sauce Jamie Oliver easy method. Whisk continuously and add warm butter slowly so the emulsion forms without splitting, and keep the heat very gentle. If it does split, whisk in a teaspoon of hot water or a fresh yolk to bring it back together. Adjust lemon and salt at the end, and keep the sauce warm until serving over eggs, asparagus, or fish for a bright finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.